There are 7 SUVs mechanics never see come back for unscheduled repairs, and those are the 7 I'm going to tell you about today. Every pick on this list comes with the specific year range, the exact engine code, the real annual repair cost, and the honest reason each one earns a permanent spot in a mechanic's driveway rather than their service bay. 7 picks. Real mechanic data. Let's get into it. Number 7, 2019 to 2024 Subaru Forester. The Helpy Mechanic Guide, written by a 17-year mechanic, describes the naturally aspirated Subaru engine as gutless but bulletproof, which is the kind of honest professional assessment that buyers rarely get from anyone with a financial stake in the transaction. The 2019 to 2024 Forester upgraded to the FB25D2, 5-liter naturally aspirated flat 4, which added meaningful power over the old 2.0-liter, while retaining the mechanical simplicity that mechanics specifically value: no turbocharger, no cylinder deactivation, and standard all-wheel drive on every single trim at no extra cost, as a baseline feature of every Subaru produced. Consumer Reports rates the 2026 Forester above average for reliability. RepairPal gives it a 4.0 out of 5.0 rating, and the annual repair cost of $515 sits below the class average for compact SUVs by a meaningful margin. This recommendation applies to the naturally aspirated FB25D exclusively, because the turbocharged Forester X uses the FA20DIT engine and carries a meaningfully different complaint profile that mechanics do not endorse with the same confidence. Any example above 80,000 miles should have the oil dipstick checked for milky residue, indicating coolant contamination, before a purchase commitment is made. Coming up next is the Honda that a 17-year mechanic describes as having an ancient engine in the best possible way. And then the compact SUV with a 93 out of 100 auto reliability index score that mechanics specifically target for their own daily transportation. Number 6, 2020 to 2022 Honda TR-V. CoverageX's April 2026 reliability analysis describes the Honda TR-V as Honda's answer to the question of what if we just made something that never breaks. And the independent data that supports that characterization is consistent across every source that tracks it. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5.0 rating, ranking it number 2 out of 26 compact SUVs in its class. With an annual repair cost of $407 and a projected lifespan of 13.9 years, according to iSeeCars, a combination of figures that mechanics recognize immediately as the signature of a platform designed around long-term reliability rather than first-year impression scores. Mechanics who recommend the TR-V specifically target 2020 and newer examples, because Honda's calibration updates had resolved the oil dilution complaints on the L15B7 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that were documented on 2017 and 2018 production, and sport trim examples with the K20C2 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder carry zero oil dilution history at all, making them the cleanest configuration available in this generation. Parts are universally available. Labor times are short because the engine bay is logically organized, and for mechanics that translates directly into predictable and manageable ownership costs whenever any service is actually needed. Number 5, 2018 to 2024 Mazda CX-5. The Auto Reliability Index scores the CX-5 at 93 out of 100, categorizing it as excellent and placing it among the highest reliability scores assigned to any SUV in any segment tracked by the index. Corege's 2026 analysis specifically identifies the CX-5 as a vehicle where buyers receive genuine quality without paying a premium and without generating the kind of repair bills that undercut the value proposition, and the 2025 model reported just 8 complaints per 10,000 vehicles, sold a figure that is statistically close to zero, in a market where most vehicles generate 5 to 10 times that complaint volume. The PYVPS2 5-liter Skyactiv G is a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with no turbocharger, no cylinder deactivation, and no variable displacement system. And mechanics who service this platform regularly observe the same consistent pattern. It arrives for oil changes, for tires, for filters, and for almost nothing else across its entire ownership life. The naturally aspirated base configuration is the version mechanics choose for personal ownership, because the turbocharged signature trim adds performance on the same foundation but also introduces one additional failure potential system that the naturally aspirated version eliminates by design. Number 4 is the Toyota that mechanics specifically describe as a tractor in a luxury adjacent body with 300,000-mile documented examples, the lowest 10-year maintenance cost in the body on-frame midsize segment, and a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder that CarBuzz calls one of the most robust engines ever produced. Number 4, 2010 to 2023 Toyota 4Runner. The Helpy Mechanic Guide is direct about the 4Runner in a way that captures exactly what makes this platform compelling to mechanics. It is basically a tractor in disguise, with body-on-frame construction, a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder, and no cylinder deactivation, applying the same engineering principles that give the Tacoma its legendary longevity to a full-size body with a genuinely premium interior that buyers consistently find surprising for the category. IC Cars documents a 14.1-year expected lifespan for the platform. CareEdge puts 10-year maintenance at $6,322, the lowest in the body on-frame midsize SUV segment, and RepairPal gives it a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, with an annual repair cost of $514. CarBuzz describes the 1GR V4 0-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder specifically as one of the most robust engines ever made, noting its continued global deployment in demanding conditions as the most credible possible evidence of its durability, and J.D. Power named it the most reliable midsize SUV in their 2020 Vehicle Dependability Study. Targeting 2019 to 2023 gives buyers the clearest ownership window before the 2025 redesign introduced turbocharged hybrid complexity to the platform. Number 3, 2021 to 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. This entry will generate debate in the comments, and the mechanic-specific configuration reasoning is what makes it defensible in a way that a blanket Tahoe endorsement never could be. Autoblog's March 2026 analysis notes the Chevrolet Tahoe as currently the top-ranked large SUV in both the J.D. Power 2025 and 2026 vehicle dependability studies, a result that reflects real owner data from Tahoes driven in everyday moderate use scenarios with the L84 5.3-liter 8-cylinder rather than the problematic higher displacement variants we have covered in separate videos. The mechanic strategy is straightforward and inexpensive. Buy the L84, install a dynamic fuel management disabler from the first day of ownership at approximately $100, and change the oil every 4,000 to 5,000 miles using full synthetic throughout the vehicle's life. The disabler prevents the cylinder deactivation system from engaging at any point, which eliminates the documented lifter failure pattern entirely and leaves behind a proven iron block naturally aspirated 8-cylinder running as a complete 8-cylinder at all times, exactly as the engine was designed to operate before the cylinder management system was added. This recommendation applies specifically and exclusively to the L84 5.3-liter configuration, the L87-6. 2-liter in higher trims carries the federal investigation and connecting rod failure history we have covered across multiple prior videos on this channel and should be avoided entirely. Number 2 is the RAV4 Hybrid, that Consumer Reports named the most reliable car sold in America, not the most reliable SUV. The most reliable vehicle across all categories, with brake pads that last 80,000 to 100, 0 miles and fuel savings of $600 to $800 every year. And number 1 is the unanimous mechanic pick. Number 2, 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Consumer Reports 2025 data identifies the Toyota RAV4 as the single most reliable car sold in America, not the most reliable SUV, but the most reliable vehicle across all categories and all segments globally, and the A25A FXS2. 5-liter Atkinson cycle hybrid system that powers it delivers 41 miles per gallon in the city with standard all-wheel drive, saving $600 to $800 annually in fuel at 15,000 miles per year compared to a conventional RAV4. The regenerative braking system extends brake pad life to 80 to 100,000 miles rather than the 30 to 50,000 miles that conventional vehicles require, which eliminates 2 to 3 brake service events across a decade of ownership at $400 to $600 per axle on each occasion. Toyota used the same A25 AFX's hybrid architecture across the Camry Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, and Lexus NX350h simultaneously, meaning it was refined across millions of combined production units before a single example reached the RAV4 application. And CareEdge documents the probability of a severe repair in the first 10 years at just 16.6%. Mechanics who understand Toyota's hybrid engineering describe the A25A FXS as among the most thoroughly validated electrified powertrains in the industry, not experimental technology, but a proven system that has been running at real-world scale across a massive vehicle population for years. Number 1, 2010 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Number 1 is not a surprise to anyone who works in a shop for a living, and it is a surprise to almost everyone who does not, which is exactly the kind of information gap that this channel exists to close. Mike's Auto Service, a mechanic shop whose team recommendation guide was published in February 2026, places the Toyota Tacoma at the top of their most reliable used SUV and truck picks, noting that the platform benefits from engineering principles that have made it the most documented high-mileage midsize truck in American automotive history. IC Cars documents a 25.3% probability of reaching 250,000 miles against a 4.8% all-vehicle average, making the Tacoma more than 5 times as likely to reach that milestone as the average vehicle on the road, and the 1GR V4. 0-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder that CarBuzz calls one of the most robust engines ever made was deployed simultaneously in the 4Runner and FJ Cruiser across an enormous combined production volume that stress-tested every failure mode before any example reached a customer. The 2TR FE 2.7-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder ran for 18 consecutive years without a fundamental redesign, and the annual repair cost of $429 reflects exactly what that engineering confidence produces in real ownership. What the mechanic's perspective adds that no reliability score can fully capture is a qualitative observation that every shop professional recognizes. The Tacoma is the vehicle that comes in for oil changes, for brake pads on schedule, for tires when the tread is gone, and for almost nothing else across an ownership life that regularly extends past 200,000 miles. It does not generate surprise invoices. It does not have a turbocharger that fails before the loan is paid off. Mechanics describe it as boringly reliable, and in a professional context where reliability is the actual goal rather than a feature on a marketing brochure. Boring is the highest compliment that can be paid to any machine. Frame rust inspection is mandatory on any Tacoma sourced from northern or coastal states, where Toyota issued extended warranty coverage and vehicle buyback programs specifically to address documented underbody corrosion, while this concern is essentially non-existent for buyers in southern and southwestern markets. None of these are the most exciting SUVs available in 2026, and none of them will generate the most social media content. But what they all share is naturally aspirated or proven hybrid powertrains, architectures that mechanics understand completely, parts that are available everywhere, and owner records at 200,000 miles that look exactly like what the manufacturer promised at 20,000. The vehicles that fill mechanic service bays are the ones with the opposite of these characteristics. The vehicles that fill mechanic driveways are the ones on this list, and that distinction is the entire story. Subscribe for more content like this. Drop your current SUV in the comments with the year, engine, and mileage, and tell us how often it goes back to the shop. We read every one. See you in the next one.